Do you struggle daily with finding files on your system? Let's say you are an event management company and you open your system. To open the files that you need, you go to the various folders and you struggle to find your files. Oh, there are so many files, but you are concerned with this file, right? You open it and you open another file. You need to find the file again. There it is. So you need these two files on daily basis. What you can do is, once the files are opened, you can find the files here and then you can pin these files, right? When you pin these files, the files can be found here in the pinned tab. So now close Excel and let's say you have opened some other files as well. So as soon as you keep on opening the files, this list grows and your files scroll to the bottom. Okay, but in the pinned tab, the files will always be there. The files that you pinned can always be found here. So this is a very convenient way to locate the files. So you don't have to locate your files daily. Just open Excel and find your files there already. Go to pinned and open the files from here. That's simple. So if you found this tip useful, please like and share my video and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.